ODeX empowers customers with effortless invoice tracking and seamless payment information updates. This user guide explains the overall process of reverse delegation, including requests and approvals. New request process. Agent will log on to ODeX via online.odexglobal.com. To initiate the reverse delegation process, the agent should select the instruction option by clicking on the toggle navigation. When you navigate to the Instruction tab, the relevant information such as BL number, instruction type, customer name, submitted by, status, and last updated will be displayed. To initiate a reverse delegation request, click on the Instruct icon. Select the delegation request to consignee or shipper or delegation request to carrier option as per requirement depending upon the region. Scenario 1. Delegation request to consignee or shipper. After clicking on the delegation request to consignee or shipper option, the agent needs to provide a BL number, and accordingly, the system will auto-update the consignee or shipper name and further proceed by selecting checkbox to get access of the required invoices and click on Submit. Scenario 2. Delegation request to carrier depending upon the region. After clicking on the delegation request to carrier option, the agent needs to provide a BL number. Accordingly, the system will auto-update the consignee name. Subsequently, proceed by uploading the LOI copy and selecting the checkbox to gain access to the required invoices, and then click on Submit. Upon submission of the reverse delegation request by the agent, a pop-up notification will appear on the screen associated with the relevant BL number. Upon approval or rejection of the reverse delegation request, its status can be tracked on the instruction dashboard. ODeX auto-triggers a notification email to the agent when the delegation request is approved or rejected. If an agent attempts to view a submitted or rejected request, a pop-up message will promptly appear to notify them. Approval process. To initiate the delegation request approval process, the consignee must first log into ODeX. Once logged in successfully, the consignee will be able to view the delegation requests submitted by the agent on the instruction dashboard. To access the submitted request, click on the hyperlink of the delegation request, which will redirect you to the delegation request screen. To respond to the delegation request, user has the option to either accept or decline the request. Scenario 1. To approve the request submitted by the agent, simply select the checkbox of terms and conditions depending upon the region. The invoice access can be changed by the consignee or shipper while approving the same, and then click on the Approve button. Scenario 2. To reject the request submitted by the agent, user will mention the rejection remark and click on the Reject button. Once the request is successfully approved, a pop-up will appear on the screen as shown, and an event will be created for the same. This completes the end-to-end process of request and approval of reverse delegation.